look at Violet in the window.
She does that all
Oh
the
my
time.
gosh, Dotty, how cute.
She's waiting for me.
Do you need help?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
As soon as I get it. Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too.
It was good.
I got to get out and take a picture of your cat and send it to Gail and Charlotte. Look at her. Oh my God, that would be a Christmas card for next year. It's too bad you don't have some greenery on it.
Oh, that's true. I should have planned that.
Well, you can.
Because she jumps in that window all the time.
You can Photoshop it in.
Okay.
It was. We did spend the whole day together, didn't we?
So it was